Hydrogen peroxide might be that bottle sitting under your sink, but it's far more versatile than you think. Sure, it disinfects wounds, but did you know it can also whiten your laundry, clean tough stains, and even keep your plants healthy? Let's break down the unexpected ways hydrogen peroxide can work its magic, all while keeping things simple, fun, and shockingly effective. Surprising uses. 1. Teeth whitening. A quick rinse with diluted hydrogen peroxide can brighten your smile over time. But be careful not to overdo it. Your gums will thank you. 2. Laundry booster. Add a cup to your whites in the washing machine for brighter, fresher clothes. It's like a natural bleach without the harsh chemicals. 3. Stain remover. Whether it's blood, wine, or sweat, hydrogen peroxide can lift stubborn stains from fabrics. Just dab it on and watch the magic happen. 4. Household cleaner. This multitasker can disinfect surfaces, countertops, and even bathroom tiles. Bonus, it's eco-friendly. 5. Plant protector. Mixed with water, hydrogen peroxide can help oxygenate the soil, making it a secret weapon for root health and preventing fungal growth in plants. The risks? 1. Skin sensitivity. Although great for cleaning wounds, undiluted hydrogen peroxide can irritate or dry out your skin. Dilution is key. 2. Avoid ingestion. It's great for external use, but never consume hydrogen peroxide. Your stomach will hate you for it. 3. Material damage. Overuse on certain surfaces or fabrics can lead to discoloration, so always test a small area first. So, is hydrogen peroxide the secret powerhouse of your household? Drop a like if you're ready to try these tips and discover even more.